Welcome back. This is Eric Roden, Doctor of Physical Therapy and Neurology Solutions, and today we're going to go over a standing lower body workout. Okay, so try to do this. This is a pretty high level routine, but you can easily break this up, break it down in different components. But let's begin. So hopefully you've done a nice little warm up. You're already moving around. You're already flexible. Maybe you've done one of our stretching routines. So we're going to start with more complex movements and then go to more simplistic movements, purely for the sake of trying to reduce our risk for injury. The more complex the movement, the more focus and strength it requires. So let's begin. We're going to start with some single leg movements and lunges. We're going to go forward lunge, and these are going to be alternating legs. Okay, so here we go. We're going to do 10 on each. So we're going down, 1, 1, 2, 2. Again, try to keep my speed if you can. Keeping a tempo adds an additional challenge. If you can't, slow it down a little more. If you need to hold on to something, that's fine. That's 3 each. 4, 4, 5, 5. Try to count them out if you can. 6, 6. Maybe add some arms. 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, and 10. Good. If you can't go down that far, that's totally fine. There's a lot of different variations of that. If you want to do all one round on one side, then move to the next, that is also okay. I like the alternating. I think it works the brain a little bit more, it works the balance a little bit more. Okay, we're going to move on to a lateral lunge. I'm going to demo this first. So, forward view, you're going to step out, come down, and come back up. I'm going to turn sideways so you see what my hips are doing. You're going to step out, bend the knee, but my butt goes back far. Realize my knee is not going too far forward. My spine is straight, and then I'm coming back up again. I'm here, and then I come back. All right, now that you got the idea, we're going to do the same moves side to side, okay? We're going to alternate, so this will be a little challenging. Try not to trip on that. We're going to use that in a minute here. So here we go. We're going to the side. 1, side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can do anything with the hands, that's fine. This is just what I'm doing. 8, 9, 10. We're going up to 20 because that would be 10 each side. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. All right, excellent. We're going right back to that forward lunge again. We're going to do another round. We're going to do 2 each of this one. If you need a break right now, that's fine, but let's go to it, okay? Forward first. Let's add in some big hands with this round, okay? So we're going to come forward. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, feeling these, 4, 5, you're doing good, keep it up, 5, 6, 6, these last ones, let's go wide, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, and 10. Good, definitely feeling that second round a little bit more than the first. Again, if you need breaks, go ahead. If not, let's keep moving. We're going back to the lateral ones. So here we go, set up, and we're going to the side. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. I'm going to change up my hands. Here we go. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, and 4. All right, excellent. definitely feeling those legs now. We started with the single leg movements because again, those require the most balance, the most strength. We're now going to go to basically a double leg movement, but still complex. So this is going to be the squat with the heel raise and reach, okay? So I'll explain first before we get into it. So you're going to squat down as far as you feel comfortable. For safety, if you want to have a chair behind you, that's totally fine. So we're going to squat down as far as we can, and then when we come back up, we're going to reach to the sky, and we're going to come up on our tippy toes as high as we can. That is a challenge. You might fall back, keep those abs engaged, try to come up tall, not forward or backwards, okay? So again, we're going down, and then we're coming up. You can look up or just keep looking forward. Maybe finding a point about 6 feet out will help with the balance. Let's begin. We're going to do 10 of these. Here we go. We're going down and up. 1. Down and up. 2. Down and up. 3. 4. Doing good. 5. 6. 7. Whoop, almost lost my balance there. 8. 9. 10. Very dynamic, very complex move there. If you're having a hard time keeping up with me, that's okay. Slow it down, learn the movement first, and then try to keep up. Our next one, I'm going to use a dowel here. This is a weighted bar. It doesn't have to be weighted. You could also use a milk jug, some dumbbells, whatever works for you. We're going to do basically a deadlift movement. Okay, this is a weightlifting movement. So front view, I'm going to put this kind of right on my thighs, hip bones area. I have a nice good stance about hips width. I'm going to bend down, sticking my butt out with a very slight bend in my knee, and then I'm going to come back up. Now that doesn't look like much front view, but let me turn side profile so you can see it. I'm sliding down the front, my hips go far back, my knees slightly bent. It's almost like I'm picking up something really heavy and I want to protect my back. So see how my back is nice and neutral, and then I'm coming back up tall. So we're here, up tall. You can go lower than that, but let's just play it safe. So here we go. We're going to begin. We're doing 10 of those. Here we go, nice and tall. We're going down, and 1. Realize I'm coming up all the way every time. Down, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Excellent. We're going to put the bar down. We're going right back to that squat with the heel raise and the reaching. All right. Chair behind you for safety if you need it. If not, let's begin. Here we go. We're going down. We're reaching up. 1. Nice and big, loud voice. 2. Big hands. 3. Tall posture. 4. Keep it going. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. Last 1. 10. Good. Definitely feeling those. My calves are burning a little bit. If you're a little off balance, that can happen. Grab your weight again. Maybe it's just a stick. Whatever works for you, that's fine. Get that nice stance, tall posture. Let's begin. Down and up. 1. Down and up. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Excellent. All right, I'm going to put this to the side here. Try not to break anything. All right, so we went for complex moves there initially. We're going to finish up with some simple moves, more of a single joint, in particular our hips. Those tend to be a big culprit for weakness as well as stiffness, okay? So we want to work those areas a little bit. This one definitely requires some balance. You may need to hold on to a chair, a wall, if you have a grab bar or like a ballet bar to keep you stable. I'm going to demonstrate without it. The first one is going to be a front kick, okay? So standing normal, maybe feet a little closer together. You're going to kick up and down. I'm keeping that knee straight up and down. Okay, that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm feeling that all through my thigh, into my hip. I'm actually feeling quite a bit on my stability leg too. Let's switch sides. Again, if you need to hold on to something, that's fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, keep it up, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. All right, we're going to move to the different side. Now, I alternate. You can, again, do everything on one side, but I do recommend the alternating for fatigue. We're going to kick out to the side. Now, the biggest issue with this one, when I see people, is they like to hike the hip, or they do this, or they lean. Think about having water glasses on your shoulders. The movement does not need to be big, okay? So water glasses on, nice and tall posture, hold on if you need to. Coming out to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, we're flipping to the other side, okay? No breaks this time. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Excellent. Now we're going to the back. Working the glutes a little bit. You go side profile for this one. Just like the last one. Water glasses on those shoulders. Big issue with this one for my low back is you don't want to be arching, okay? We're not trying to do that. That will cause a spasm. That will cause you pain. It's all about the glutes, okay? So, leg goes back. See how small that's going, but I'm getting a lot of activation in that glute, okay? So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Definitely feeling it there. If you are not, maybe you're feeling it in the hamstring or your low back, that's your tell that you're not focused on those glutes. You need to feel it in the glutes. You might feel it in the hamstring too, but you really should not feel anything in that low back. That means we're overactivating. You might need some additional guidance there. All right, let's flip sides. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent. All right, one more round, all 3 of those. We're going for the forward kicks first. Now again, from the front here, it doesn't look like much as far as the movement. You don't have to go as high as I'm going. Maybe you barely go off the ground, that's fine. Side profile, just like the other ones. Don't spill that water. We don't want this, okay? That's not good form. Poised and tall. Nice kick. Nothing moves on my lower body, okay? So here we go. I'm going to do side profile. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We're going to flip it. Again, if you need to hold on to something, totally fine. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, we're moving to the sides again. Your legs are probably burning. The hips are probably tired. Keep it up. We're almost there. We're going to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, try to keep up with me if we can. That tempo is an added challenge for this, okay? So see what you can do. Here we go. Left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I was definitely feeling that a lot more on my stability leg this time. I can tell I'm getting a little tired. You're doing well. Again, if you need rest, go ahead and make sure to breathe. All right, we're going backwards now. Let's get those glutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We'll switch. Here we go. Set up and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, definitely feeling it at this point. We got one last move, an isometric. Okay, so what that is, it's a sustained contraction in a particular position. So we're going to do an isometric squat. If you need to do this against the wall, that is fine. I highly recommend the chair behind you in case your legs get really tired. I'm going to back up. And basically you are squatting down and you're holding that position. So side profile, we're going to come down and we are going to try to hold this for a count of 20, okay? Or until fatigue for you, that's fine. That's why you got the chair there, you can fall back into it. Here we go, we're going down. Whatever you feel comfortable, if it's right here, that's fine. If it's lower, that's great. Here we go, let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Your legs might be burning, almost there. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, whew, and 20. Very nice. That was a lower body standing routine. There's a lot more exercises that you're able to do with those legs. It's just a nice little entry one with really minimal equipment. I hope you enjoyed. Again, make sure you go over this either with the trainer or physical therapist. If you don't have one, we'd love to help you. We'll see you next time.